We're going to now learn how a derivative is defined. Limits arise when we calculate things like the slope of a tangent line or a rate of change such as velocity. I've written these definitions here so you can see that their definitions involve limits. Can you see that these limits look really similar? Since this limit occurs widely, it is given a special name and notation. This limit is called the derivative of a function at a number a. There are two definitions for this derivative, so I've written the first one in pink and the second one in purple. The derivative of a function at a number a is defined as the instantaneous rate of change of the function f of x at the point x is equal to a. It is also defined as the slope of the tangent line to the graph of f at the point x is equal to a. I've placed a graph down here so that you can see where these limit definitions come from. Let's first look at the definition in pink. It is the limit as h goes to 0 of the change in f, which is f of a plus h minus f of a, divided by the change in x, which is h. Our definition in purple is the limit as x approaches a of delta f, which is f of x minus f of a, all divided by delta x, which is x minus a.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.